Hey, I'm here with Marlon Greenwood at the 2022 Academy Awards Secret Room Gift Suite, Beverly Hills SLS Hotel. Tell us about your incredible charity with the NFL.
Yeah. So I'm with the Morlon Greenwood, the president of the NFL Alumni Las Vegas Chapter, also CEO of the Morlon Greenwood Foundation. We do free football camps for the kids. The NFL alumni mission is caring for kids and caring for our own. And we're just trying to give our thing, help people in the community, which is the reason why I realized this event that we're doing in Miami, the 20th to the 22nd, Global Awaken United. They're raising funds for non-profit organizations that are doing things in the community, going back to help the youth.
Excellent. So how do we get a hold? What's the website of your organization?
The website of Morlon Greenwood Foundation is MG52.org. The Las Vegas chapter is NFLAvegas.org. And I'm going to let Kessa come in here and tell us more about how to. This is Kessa Gooden.
Hi guys, my name is Kessa Gooden and I am the producer of this event and also a speaker at this event. And this is going to be May 20 to the 22nd in Miami, Florida. And you can find out more about this event at unityhonorawards.com. That's unityhonorawards.com. And you can go ahead and purchase your ticket, make a donation, or even become a member. This is a community that we are socially conscious entrepreneur, and we are looking to invite you guys to come out there, celebrate with us, or if you can't make it, join by Zoom. Just spread the word about this event.